That's right, guys. It's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Tuesday afternoon from the balcony at the NYSC. And guess what? It's about that time, and I'm quite thirsty. So grab yourself a drink. I'm going to grab myself one, too, once I get out of here. Because you know why. It's after 4 o'clock. The markets are closed, and it's time for Happy Hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they managed to pair their gains this Tuesday afternoon on renewed uncertainty over developments in the Greece-Eurozone standoff. That's right. Investors today closely watching a possible Greek debt deal when the Euro group of finance ministers meets in Brussels, Belgium tomorrow, where Greece's finance minister is expected to detail new reform proposals. Now, futures touch session highs on speculation that the European Commission could be ready to table a compromise on Greece's bailout program and propose a 6-month extension to the nation's bailout, which is due to end this February 28th. Meanwhile, all focus back here now in the United States. The National Federation of Independent Business reported that U.S. small business optimism that fell 2.5%, not that optimistic, to a total of 97.9 in January, amid worries over the near-term outlook. Also, wholesale sales for the month of December showing an increase in inventories by 0.1%, below expectations, while job openings in December, that rose above 5 million for the first time since January 2001. Now you team that with a stronger U.S. dollar, gold prices falling by more than 0.5%, and oil prices in the red by a little more than 2.5%, and you have yourself a session right behind me where decliners are just a step ahead of advancers. So let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to not just close out the session, but to close out a relatively volatile Tuesday afternoon. And on the corporate front, we first had to talk about shares of Coca-Cola, which popped. I know, cheesy. Coca-Cola earning an adjusted 44 cents per share in the fourth quarter, 2 cents above expectations, with revenue also above forecast. Now, global case volume was roughly in line with estimates. Guess a lot of people still drinking Coke. And UBS, the biggest Swiss bank, doubled its full-year dividend to mark its biggest payout since the credit crisis Tuesday, but warned that the Swiss franc strength could hit future profits. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. Hey, if you want to, grab yourself a Coke as well. They're doing pretty well, right? Like, somebody's got to be drinking it, not me, unfortunately. And with that stated, I won't say anything else. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'll see you in the morning. I'm James Sweeney.